When you need service from NewMed, your call starts at our service desk. And it's not just any old operator. Our service desk is staffed by seasoned pros that know imaging equipment inside and out. If your system is down, say you have a power issue, here's how we take care of it. Our service desk hands you off to an engineer so you know who is handling your issue. From there, your engineer is dispatched to your site. Often it's on the same day. If your repair needs parts, we scan our inventory or source parts so that if possible, the engineer arrives with them in hand. And if the parts are shipped, it's usually overnight. Before you know it, you're back in business. We'll send you a field service report and bada bing, fixed. To see how easy NewMed service can be, give our service desk a call at 844-200-0752 or drop us a line at emergencydispatch@newmedinc.com.